ATPE is Texas's largest and most trusted educator group. One reason is because we provide top-notch protection for public school employees at affordable rates. Eligible members have access to attorneys who know Texas education law. What issues do members run into? Sometimes it's questions about contract rights or appraisals. Sometimes it's parent complaints. ATPE is on your side. But don't take our word for it. Here's what some of our members have to say.
The power of ATPE comes in with the value that they offer with regards to calling someone directly for a very minimal amount of money and having that protection and that advocacy for someone that's out there like myself that doesn't know a tremendous amount about the law.
And I know that when I had a choice, I am extremely thankful that I chose ATPE.
Instructional specialist Paula Franklin left the law field to become a teacher. She understands how important it is to have a legal advocate in your corner. ATPE's attorneys provide confidential assistance when you have employment-related legal concerns. And unlike some other educators groups, our insurance is guaranteed to cover eligible costs, win or lose.
Sometimes things happen and you need to go out and protect yourself, and ATPE helps you do that. You don't want to have to use it, but you know if you need it that it's there. I never thought I would have to use it, but when I did, I had no worries.
ATPE also has your back in Austin and in Washington, D.C. Algebra teacher Clayton appreciates the value of having his own advocacy team behind him.
The public education budget has been largely affected by outside groups that are trying to take that money and spend it on kind of like air quotes education. And whenever that money is being taken out of our classrooms and being put into little side projects across the state that aren't helping our students, it's something that I am glad to know that there is an ATPE lobbyist fighting to save those dollars and keep them in our classrooms.
ATPE's experienced lobbyists work year-round, meeting with legislators, testifying at hearings, and working behind the scenes to build partnerships to protect public education.
We can't always be here at the Capitol because we're back at school with our students, but our lobbyists work year-round for public schools, educators, and our students.
And if you're interested in professional growth, ATPE is the right place for you. Here, you can pursue local, regional, and statewide leadership opportunities and shape the organization's future as well as your career.
I had a friend that introduced me to ATPE, and the first thing that popped into my mind was, I just don't want to be a member. I want to be a campus rep. I want to be an officer. I want to grow just as I've grown with transportation. This is what I want to be with ATPE.
Yolanda's dedication to her profession was recognized in 2017 when ATPE named her Associate of the Year.
I think there's more for me at ATPE, and I'm really looking forward to continuing my journey with ATPE.
And if you're new to teaching, ATPE is here to make the road as smooth as possible. We offer resources for new educators and host the Yes Texas Advisory Committee to make sure new educators' voices are heard.
I always have the saying, it gets real, okay? And it has gotten real as a first-year teacher. And ATPE, because the people that are in it, they understand exactly what your stressors are. We can call each other and say, hey, so this is how my day was, this is what's going on, and you know, it's like I said, it's one big happy family.
Not to mention the discounts we offer. From vacations to real estate, prescriptions to office supplies, you can save enough money every year to more than pay for your membership.
The discounts are my favorites because Office Max has been my best friend this year. And even though we get to make copies here, it's like the little stuff you have to do on the weekend, go to Office Max, I'm like, wait, I have my card. Bring that price down some more.
So whether you join for the outstanding insurance and employment rights defense coverage, access to experienced education attorneys, influence at the Capitol, or any of the other outstanding benefits, just make sure you join ATPE.
I really can't stress enough how important it is to join ATPE. The protection that's available for you with regards to a legal standpoint, the advocacy of having a group in Austin that's going to fight for you every single day, the value, the cost is so minimal to protect yourself. And then, of course, the value on the flip side, the discounts you get being a teacher utilizing the organization itself. I really encourage you to join today because it's a decision you will not regret.